iHealthTube, visiting with Nina Dockery. She is our enzyme expert. And the thing that I want to ask you, Nina, is to educate us on exactly what enzymes are. I mean, we know they're for digestion and things like that, but what are they?
That's a big question.
It is a big question, isn't it?
Yes, enzymes are, technically they're biocatalysts. They are substances, usually proteins, not always, but usually proteins, that are involved in virtually every reaction that goes on in an organic system. So in plants, in animals, in us, in our body, every reaction that's going on, building our cells, digesting our food, is in the control of these biocatalysts. And what that means is they are substances that will increase the speed at which a reaction will occur. So there are reactions that are going on in our body all the time that would be very, very slow and would be too slow to accomplish anything if it weren't for the presence of these enzymes that speed up reactions.
Okay, and you said there are endogenous enzymes?
Endogenous enzymes are those that are found in our body. So they are endogenous to our body.
Such as?
Such as all of our digestive enzymes, salivary amylase involved in digestion, pepsin, gastric lipase, all of our pancreatic enzymes, trypsin, chymotrypsin. Then we have a lot of intestinal enzymes, our lactase that is in our body, our dipeptidyl peptidase that we discussed earlier. So there are a lot of enzymes involved just in digestion that are in our body. As a matter of fact, there are about 40 of them involved just in digestion that our body produces. And then there are those that function outside of this closed system of digestion. Those are our metabolic enzymes, and they are involved in every process in our body, from creation of proteins for building muscle to cellular repair that goes on in every cell in our body for every function that goes on in our body. So those are our endogenous enzymes. And then there are the exogenous enzymes, which are the ones that we're talking about. Those are the ones that we supplement, that we take.
Okay, because our body doesn't make them, or it doesn't make enough of them?
Right, we take them because we want to either support our own enzymes, or we're filling in a gap. There is an enzyme that we are missing, and so, like lactase, and so we are adding that enzyme in by supplementing it. Yes,
lactase.
Because our body has ceased to produce it. Now, will taking lactase cause our body to start producing its own lactase? No. Once we've stopped producing it, we've pretty much stopped producing it. So we can supplement and fill in that gap that our body no longer can function on its own in producing.
Okay, so it's the internal or endogenous enzymes and then the exogenous, so do I have that right?
Right, exogenous enzymes that we supplement. And they're usually much broader. The ones that are made by our body are very specific for the function that they perform, very specific. They will either break one bond or they will create one bond. But these that we supplement tend to be much broader. They're kind of, they're the generics.
Okay.
And they'll come in and they may be capable of breaking several bonds. And that's what makes them very suitable for digestion, because they help break several bonds that are in food that hold those amino acids together in a protein, or hold those sugars together in a carbohydrate. And they're capable of breaking several of those bonds, and therefore really enhancing digestion to a great extent.
Okay, well, thank you for that explanation, Nina.
Appreciate it.